Hey, congratulations on installing BoloForms. Let's see how BoloForms is better than any other solution in the market and why you've made a wise choice. So first, and what we consider to be the most important feature, is to be able to create easy approval workflows with BoloForms, which by the way Google Forms does not support at all, and competitors like Form Approvals support in a very inefficient and not user-friendly way. Another important point to consider is the dashboard which we have created, which is separated by different roles which you might have while using BoloForms. You have a different view in the dashboard for being an owner, a collaborator, an approver, or a requester. This can help you keep your forms organized yet easily accessible. Also, BoloForms provides a generous free plan of 50 form responses, while competitors like Form Approvals offer just 20 with the free tier. Another important point to consider here is that BoloForms offers a vast template library of over 10,000 templates compared to zero templates by a competitor. Our one-on-one onboarding and 24/7 support on WhatsApp and email is unmatched by any competitor, including Google Forms and Form Approvals and any other competitor in the market. So these are some of the important reasons why we think that BoloForms is the best for you.